In addition to being a wicked hockey player, I guess we can say, former manager at Carlyle Capital's Blue Wave hedge fund, and he is now a Bloomberg TV contributing editor. We couldn't be happier. So, Keith, you were calling yourself the burning buck boy for most of this year, right? If we look back.
Better than the burning butt boy, right?
Yeah, I guess so. What happens now? I mean, we have seen some strengthening, not today. Today is a bad example. But we have seen some strengthening of dollar versus the euro. And John and I, earlier this week, spoke with Mark Faber, and he said, look, it's not because the dollar is such a great play. It's just that, you know, the euro is pretty bad, too. So what happens to the dollar in the short term? Let's just say January. Yeah,
in the short term, I think the dollar is going to continue to tread higher. And at the same time, the euro and gold are going to tread lower. I think that we're in a new, as we call it, an immediate-term trade, which is 3 weeks, you know, kind of that zone. But
if we're talking small figures, big figures, what kind of move here?
I think the first move that we've seen, the 3% move up, was probably the bigger move. The next, but it's going to be a slow grind. As Sarah just said, everybody's like a professional currency trader all of a sudden, and everybody's short the dollar. Everybody owns all these other currencies, but all these other currencies look to me that they're going to run into some headwinds in the next couple months.
Sarah was also talking about some of the hot trades over the last decade. Is the dollar part of the hottest trades out there? I mean, euro dollar, dollar yen. What's the trade to watch in the next 3 months?
The biggest, the most contrarian trade to watch is gold versus dollar. Gold down, dollar up, and of course the euro versus the dollar. I mean, the euro, both of those from an immediate term perspective and an intermediate term perspective, like 3 months, look broken, and that's new.